What's going on, guys? Bruce here with another Jump Mathematics video. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how we can differentiate the function sine x. This video is going to be a little bit different because usually what we do is we go through a rigorous proof on how to calculate the derivative but I don't find the proof for sine x to be particularly enlightening. So what we're going to do is we're going to show what the graph of sine x is graphically, pictorially. So we're going to check the slope at a bunch of significant points here. We're going to plot it here and see what function that looks like. So here I've drawn the graph of sine x. Starts at 0, starts at the origin, goes up to 1, 0, negative 1, back to 0 at 2 pi. So let's start here. So the slope here at x equals 0 looks to be about 1. So I'll put a point right here, because right here we're drawing the derivative f prime. At pi over 2, the slope is 0. At pi, the slope looks to be about negative 1. 3 pi over 2, we're at 0 again. And then at 2 pi, we're back to slope 1. And then it repeats. So here we've drawn the graph of the derivative. This function right here, f prime, is the derivative of sine of x. And we saw that because we looked at a series of important points on the graph, and we plotted its slope right here on the derivative. So what function does this look like? It starts at 1, it goes down until it gets to pi, where it gets to negative 1, and then it goes back up to 1 and repeats. This graph right here, is in fact cosine x. So we've shown, well, we've seen, it's not rigorous, but we've seen that the derivative of sine is cosine x. So this is really interesting because the derivative of a trig function is another trig function. In fact, it's sort of the most obvious one. If you go through the same process again to differentiate cosine x, you're going to get that d by dx cos x equals negative sine x. So sine goes to cosine, cosine goes to negative sine. The derivative of negative sine is negative derivative of sine, which is negative cosine x. Derivative of negative sine goes to negative cosine. The derivative of negative cosine is positive sine. So you go sine, cosine, negative cosine, back to sine. So when you differentiate 4 times, you get back to the function that you started with. I hope this was enlightening. See you in the next video. Hey, what's going on, guys? Thank you for watching the video. If you're interested in getting better at math by getting all kinds of practice, what I want you to do is go to jumpmathematics.com. Here I provide you with free instructional videos and hundreds of practice problems. This is the best way to get better at math, by doing practice problems. See you in the next video.